Welcome to our exploration of the powerful chapters 49 to 52 from the book of Isaiah. Imagine a messenger delivering a message of hope and redemption to people lost in despair. These chapters capture that essence beautifully. Let's dive in.
In Isaiah 49, Israel is depicted as God's chosen servant, receiving promises of restoration and glory. But here's the twist. The chapter also introduces another servant, often seen as a messianic figure, tasked with bringing light to the nations.
Verse 6 emphasizes this. I will also make you a light for the Gentiles, that my salvation may reach to the ends of the earth. It's a call to universal salvation, bridging divides and promising hope for all. Chapter 50 portrays God's unfailing commitment despite apparent abandonment. In verse 4, the servant describes being taught by God, having a well-instructed tongue, underscoring the importance of God-given wisdom. It's a reminder that even in trials, divine guidance is ever present. The chapter wraps up by encouraging the faithful to trust in the Lord, even when walking in darkness.
In Isaiah 51, the message turns to consolation and encouragement. Forgetting former woes, God urges his people to remember their spiritual heritage. Verses 11 and 12 proclaim, "The ransomed of the Lord will return. Everlasting joy will crown their heads," reminding listeners that divine comfort erases sorrow and fear.
Finally, chapter 52 heralds a time of awakening and deliverance. Awake, awake, Zion, clothe yourself with strength, it begins, a clarion call for renewal. Verses 7 to 10 celebrate the coming messenger who announces peace and salvation, providing one of the Old Testament's clearest anticipations of good news for the world. These chapters weave a message of redemption, resilience, and a calling that transcends the self to embrace a broader mission. They echo not just ancient struggles, but offer timeless truths about hope, faith, and divine purpose. Dive deeper into these verses and discover how ancient words continue to offer wisdom and guidance today.